Welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today, guys, we're going to be taking you on the journey as we made this deep conditioning treatment, and we're going to use our aloe vera plant. Let's jump into the video. So we're going to go in with some aloe vera. Let me see. So this is aloe vera here. And remove the sides, because you know that part can hurt you real bad. There it is. We're going to add this to our blender, well, our NutriBullet. Make sure you be careful. You don't want to stick yourself with a knife. Just make it in smaller sections so it's easier to blend. Then we're going to go right in. We're going to blend. I think this is smooth now. You're gonna go in with your strainer, your cheesecloth, your stocking cap, whatever you have. You go right ahead and use it, but make sure you strain, all right? Because if you don't, all of that, oh my God, there's piece that wasn't done enough, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna blend it because we want everything. We want everything. Okay, I went back in. I hope it's blended now. Let me see. So some of it still wasn't blended, but that's okay because we don't really want a whole lot because we're making our own deep conditioning treatment. Now, guys, what I'm going to encourage you to do, for this mixture, you strain it 2 times to ensure everything, there's no little flakes that's going to be left in there in your hair. Look at that. All right, so this is, look at it. So all of this, if you didn't do this, all of this will be stuck in your hair. So that is important that you strain it. Don't skip this part. So this is for the second time. We're going to pour it back in and see if we get anything else. You understand? You can do it 2 times, 3 times until you're comfortable that there's nothing that is going to be stuck in your hair. So let us see what amount we get out again after we do it for the second time. See, we still have just a little bit, so you can do it for 2 more times, 3 times, whatever amount of time you have, or when you feel real comfortable that you would have gotten everything out and feel, you know, that nothing will be stuck in your hair, because nothing much is on this, right? So I think we are good now. All right, so so what we did was to wash this because we don't want any flake to be in your hair. Then go in with your regular conditioner or your deep conditioner. This is the one that I've been using for a little while now. So I'm going to add some to this container. Just the amount that you're going to use now. Unless you want to leave. I don't want any to be left over, so I'm just going to use. So this is the conditioner that I'm going to use because we're going to rinse it out, you know, right? But we're trying to make a deep conditioning treatment. My bananas are not as ripe, hence the reason I'm making something else. I like to always use something natural when I'm doing my leave-in. So I'm coming in with this. So I'm just using aloe vera, and I'm also going to add some extra oil to it. Okay, so you can do whatever, use whatever you have, right? You know, sometimes I use my banana for my leave-in mask. So I think this should be enough for my hair. Let's show you there. To this now, I'm going to add some oil, some extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to go in with that. Not a whole lot because we don't want the mixture to be watery. And then we're going to add this, our aloe vera. All right, so as I said, guys, you don't want it to be watery, so be mindful of the consistency. Once that is done, we're going to go back in. We're going to cover, and then we're going to, you could actually just put everything and mix it together with a spoon or something, but I prefer to go in with the blender, blend it. so that I'm sure everything is nice combined. All right, let us see what's happening here, because remember, we still need a thick consistency. Okay, so let's see if we have that here. I believe we do. I believe we do. Look at this. Look at this. Actually, let me show you this. Look at this. So you see, you still ended up with a thick consistency, and that is what you want. All right, so we're going to apply this to the hair now. This is the consistency you want, guys. Look at that. Then you're going to apply this to the hair. Perfect. So guys, we're going to go in with our leave-in conditioner that we just made. Right? Perfect for the hair. So we're going to go in and we're going to apply. We're going to do a generous amount to it. So this is our deep conditioner with aloe vera in it. So not an aloe vera out of the bottle, not the aloe vera gel from a bottle, but the aloe vera gel that we had made from the plant. Oh my gosh, it feels really good. You want to go in the entire hair, right? You want every strand to get touched, right? So go in with a generous amount. Don't be sparing with it. Look like we actually did too much, but it's not gonna waste. Since we're basically washing our hair every week, we can always go in and leave this. I don't know how long we can leave it out for, so I'm just gonna leave it out for the 7 days if I don't finish it today. So look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow. So of course, you know, we're going to put this in one, because everything, notice everything is white. That's nice. Yeah, that's what you want. That is what you want. I feel good. So that's one down. Let's do the other side now. Oh my God, let me tell you something, man. It feels really good. Woo! Feels good. So don't be afraid to go in with a generous amount. All right. We actually don't need to use all of what we just made. Oh, I'm done. Let me show you. I hope you can see good. Then we're gonna cover and we're gonna go under our steamer for half an hour again. So wash day don't have to be so long, but if you have other things to do, you can go on doing it, because you basically want this to steam in your hair, right? What makes it good, we have our aloe vera, our extra virgin olive oil, and remember our conditioner have avocado in there, so I hope a goodness in the ear. So that is all you need, guys, so you can do you. All right, so as I always say, start where you are and do what? You know the tagline, start where you are and use what you have. So whatever you have in your kitchen, go right ahead and use it. So make your own deep conditioning treatment by just getting a regular conditioner at the store. Add your aloe vera plant, your extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil. Blend everything together nicely. That is after aloe vera is strained, okay, guys? And you make your own deep conditioning treatment. You can go ahead and check out this next video that we use aloe vera to make a pre-poo. Bye until the next one.